Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you guys today what's in the preset for the hip hop vocals. Basically what the hip hop vocals is, it's just my chain that I've made to remove muddiness from your vocals and bring out more brightness and more clear vocals. So I'm gonna go ahead now and play it, the vocals dry. I've also set up a location to put your beat at, recording area, and where your vocals should be placed after recording, and then an area for your ad libs. So I'm gonna start now, dry, no effects.
Words that take my pain away. When there's things open my way, I say how I feel about you, but I ain't got words to say. And I know it's give and take, baby. I know it's make or break. I'ma hop up in my own lane and sit down and stay.
So that there is the song dry, no effects or anything. Now I'm gonna play it with the effects, all wet, all dressed up, ready to go.
Words that take my pain away. When there's things open my way, I say how I feel about you, but I ain't got words to say. And I know it's give and take, baby. I know it's make or break. I'ma hop up in my own lane and zoom down and stay.
Alright, now that you guys have heard that, I'm gonna show you guys what's happening in the chain one by one. So let's start off with just the EQ. I'm gonna play it back and forth for you guys.
Words that take my pain away. When there's things open my way, I say how I feel about you, but I ain't got words to say. And I know it's give and take, baby. I know it's
Basically what that is doing here in this EQ is removing away all the muddiness, in the low frequencies, and some in the mid frequency, and then lifting up the high frequencies there. Alright, now that you guys have heard that with the EQ, now we're going to play with the compressor on top of it.
Words that take my pain away. When there's things open my way, I say how I feel about you, but I ain't got words to say.
In this compressor, we're hitting about 3 dBs in compression. Play it back with another EQ, and we'll play that back and forth.
Words that take my pain away. When there's things open my way, I say how I feel about you, but I ain't got words to say.
And what this compressor is doing, we're removing again some of the low end, more low end here, and the boxy area here in the vocals, a little bit in the mids, 4,000 hertz here, and then lifting up 800s to bring out more of the high end as well. Now we're gonna go ahead and listen to it with the second compressor.
Words that take my pain away. When there's things open my way, I say how I feel about you, but
this one was also hitting about 3 dB.
I know it's give and take, baby. I know it's make or break. I'ma hop up in my own lane and zoom down and stay.
Alright, now that we've heard it with the second compressor, now we're gonna hear with the reverb added to the vocals.
Words that take my pain away. When there's things open my way, I say how I feel about you, but I ain't got words to say. And I know it's give and take, baby. I know it's make or break. I'ma hop up in my own lane and zoom down and stay.
Listen to it with some delay.
Words that take my pain away. When there's things open my way, I say how I feel about you, but I ain't got words to say. And I know it's give and take, baby. I know it's make or break. I'ma hop up in my own lane and zoom down and stay.
Alright, so that's about it for the preset. Oh yeah, one more thing would be the abs. And what I've done for the abs for you guys is I've done a telephone effect, and I'll play that right now.
take my pain away. When there's things up in my way, I say how I feel about you, but I ain't got words to say. And I know it's give and take, baby, I know it's make or break. I'm a hop up in my own lane, soon down here to stay.
So yeah, that's about it. The outlets just have telephone effect. You guys can add the reverb to it, and you guys can add the delay. All you gotta do is just drag and drop, so from this side over to the other. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. So this is probably gonna be empty. I'm gonna delete all these, and make sure to keep this one. This is the one that's gonna give you the telephone effect. So what you're gonna want to do is just grab these adjusted effects, grab the telephone, and put it at your end of your chain, and you should be good. If you guys have any questions or anything, hit me up on Instagram. I'll leave it down in the description for you guys.